Holy crap.
What?
It's heavy.
Yeah. First rotate. Oh no, they said don't do that. Keep the foam on.
Dude, I can't pick it up. Oh man. That was a squeak.
Oh. Now we pick up, and then we don't put it down. We're gonna pick up. Ready? Lift.
Dude, that's exactly how low I want it. That's so awesome.
What do you think? That part?
Dude, it's so nice.
Don't ruin it.
Subscribe to SpaghettiNoobs.
Hey guys, SpaghettiNoob here. In today's video, we will be assembling our UPLIFT V2 commercial standing desk. Before we get into that, please make sure you like the video. We greatly appreciate it. Please subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed, and of course hit the notification bell. That being said, let's get on to the video. In the first video of this series, it took us just about an hour or so, give or take, with some breaks and taking the baby gate off of the stairs to take the desk down and clearing room. Unboxing took, you know, just maybe under 40 minutes or so, and actually assembling was just over an hour and 6 minutes, right up until when we flipped the desk over, which you'll see shortly, and then probably another 20 minutes or so roughly to, you know, put the finishing touches on, make sure we weren't missing any parts. So overall, with two people, it took us just over an hour to assemble the thing. If we weren't making probably the unboxing video, it probably would have been, well, actually, we normally do unboxings just like this, no matter like what we get and put everything out. We do a part check, and then once we confirm we have all the parts, we begin the unboxing. So it probably would take, you know, the same, you know, 20-30 minutes to unbox, make sure we have all the parts, go through the manual, make sure we know what we're doing. But overall, it probably took us like 2.5 hours if you want to include making space. 3.5 hours to unbox, move everything, and assemble it. That doesn't include the setup time of putting everything back together, which you'll see in another video, and we'll talk greatly more in depth about, you know, the UPLIFT standing desk and why we chose it. So please enjoy the rest of the video. It'll go by real quick. Make sure you stick to the end of the video to catch the vlog verse of the day. Another slight reminder, please be sure to check the description below. While I currently do not have a promo code for you guys to use for UPLIFT Desk, I'm hoping to establish something with UPLIFT Desk in the future and get you guys some promo codes so that way you can get an UPLIFT Desk of your own. While I do not have a promo code for you guys, I still highly encourage you checking out UPLIFT Desk at upliftdesk.com and find the right standing desk for you. In this week's vlog verse of the day, we continue on from where we left off, out of the book of Matthew. starting at Matthew 6:27. And which of you, by being anxious, can add 1 cubit onto the measure of his life? And why are ye anxious concerning raiment? Consider the lilies of the field, how they grow. They toil not, neither do they spin. Yet I say unto you that even Solomon in all his glory was not arrayed like one of these. That was our vlog verse of the day. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. That's all I got for you. Please make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Thank you, and have a good day.